Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm getting ready to do a lot of holiday card making, and I didn't really need a lot to add to my collection of stamps and embellishments and that kind of thing, but I did want to pick up just a couple of kind of fresh things just to add, just to kind of make it fun to start creating. And Catherine Pooler has put out a lot of new stamps for the holidays and some new ink colors too. And so I thought I'd go on the site and kind of look around and pick out some things. So I picked, I think, one or two things from her new release. And then I also have some older choices because I'm always looking for the kind of vintage retro style Christmas stamps, and she's got a lot of really cute things on her website. So I'll show you what I picked up, and if you like that kind of thing too, you can go ahead and take a look. I'll put links below and you can kind of see everything. The first thing I got was the Alpine Village bundle, and I fell in love with these little houses. They were so cute. This is the Alpine Village stamp set. It's very big. You can see it's got a ton of stamps on it. Lots of great kind of winter themed sentiments, which I like, because then this way it kind of brings you into the holiday season, and then kind of brings you out of it too. So you can still, get a lot of use out of these stamps even after the actual Christmas season. So it's got a lot of really cute houses on it, couple of trees, from our home to yours. This is a sentiment that's really nice to have. And actually, you wouldn't even need to use the winter themed sentiments. You could say if you have a friend that's moving into a new house, you could use this sentiment and just, pick a couple of the houses on here. And that would be really cute for a card. I've made a couple of cards like that. I like to have, I have a lot of stamp sets that have houses on them. And I try to collect these types of stamps that kind of welcome people to the neighborhood and that kind of thing, because I think that's fun to give a homemade card with maybe some cookies or something like that to a new neighbor, or like I said, a friend that's maybe moving or something like that. So this was part of the Alpine Village bundle. So it came with a stamp set, then it had the matching dies, and then it also had this birch cover plate die. And I thought this was kind of fun. And again, it doesn't have to just be used for the holidays. I mean, this could be used year round. Just it has the birch trees right here in kind of a frame. And then you can do some really cute, all through the seasons. You could do springtime, adding flowers or something like that. Winter, definitely, with maybe like a snow background. So lots you could do with this. So I thought this was kind of worth getting the bundle, because you got this with it too. And then you also get the In the Alps pattern paper, which I really liked the designs on here. Like, I love these, the navy and red hearts, because it reminds me of those, I forget what those sweaters are called, the ski sweaters. It's got some really nice prints on here. And these are great for backgrounds. Oh, this is my favorite, I think. I love this one. Kind of the teal colored. It almost looks like snowflakes, but they're actually little hearts. And I love the color combination with the navy and the teal. Oh, and here's some snowflakes. Those are really pretty. So that is the pattern paper. So that all comes together in a set, which is nice. And then I also picked up, I'm looking for retro Christmas stamps. I grabbed this one. This is an older set from, I think, 1 or 2 years ago. It's called Nostalgic Season. And it's just got some great deer, like little kind of retro style deer on it, reindeer, and then some Christmas trees and some fun ornaments and stocking, just some fun ways that you can kind of paper piece and use different ink colors and everything kind of on this stamp set. And then I really like the font too, that Christmas is here and 'tis the season. That's really nice too, bringing good cheer. I like that. So this is definitely a stamp set that I will be using a lot. And then I really like this one. I think this is from her newer release. This is called Warm and Bright. It has these lamps on it, like street lamps and lanterns, and then just kind of a nice I feel like it's a nice alternative to like a cup of hot chocolate or something. You see a lot of cards with coffee on them and hot chocolate, but why not try one of these, like a little lamp or lantern? I just thought these were really pretty. And there's a lot you could do with these too. I've saw some really great things on the blog, some examples of some cards. So I'm going to try to make a lot of cards using this too. And then I got the matching stamps because, or I'm sorry, the matching dies, because I like how I don't always buy the matching dies to things, but it depends on what it's going to cut out. So for instance, this lamp right here, this die actually cuts out the little windows of the lamp so that, you know, you could put some vellum behind it or something like that. So that would be difficult to kind of cut out on your own. So this is the Warm and Bright stamp set. And then I just got one more thing. This is sort of under the kind of a nostalgic or retro style Christmas. I thought this Christmas tree was really pretty. This is called Festive Trimming, and it's just got some really pretty designs on it, sentiments, and then the Christmas tree with some holly leaves and just some kind of basic little things. So you could do just a really pretty embossed card. I think that would be really pretty. You know, some stenciled snowflakes or, you know, something in the background. So I think this is going to be really nice to use too. So let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you in my next video.